Your front door is more than just a functional entryway. It is a reflection of your home's personality and a key element of your home's exterior design. In Fayetteville, where Southern charm and modern design elements often meet, your front door can play a crucial role in enhancing the curb appeal of your property. If you've been considering updating your home's appearance or are preparing to sell, replacing your front door can be one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal. Here's how a door replacement can transform your Fayetteville home and leave a lasting impression. First impressions matter. The first thing visitors and potential buyers notice when they approach your home is the front door. Whether you're hosting guests for a gathering or selling your property, the front door is the focal point that sets the tone for the rest of the home. A worn-out, outdated, or damaged door can make a negative impression, signaling neglect or a lack of care for the property. By replacing your door, you create an inviting atmosphere and show that your home is well maintained. An upgraded front door immediately enhances the overall look of your home, making it appear more welcoming and stylish. A variety of styles to suit your taste. When replacing your door, you have a wide range of materials, colors, and designs to choose from. In Fayetteville, where both traditional and modern architectural styles are common, there's no shortage of options to suit your preferences. Whether you want a classic wooden door with intricate carvings, a sleek fiberglass door with a modern finish, or an elegant wrought iron design, you can find a door that complements the architectural style of your home. Choosing the right door is essential to maintaining or elevating your home's aesthetic. For example, if your home has a traditional southern look, a solid wood door with a polished finish and decorative hardware could be perfect. On the other hand, if your home embraces a more contemporary vibe, a minimalist fiberglass door with large glass panels may be more appropriate. Whatever your style, a door replacement can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal by matching its unique character. Improved energy efficiency. While aesthetics play a big role in choosing a new door, energy efficiency is another significant factor to consider. Older doors, especially those that are poorly sealed, can let drafts into your home, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This can increase energy bills and make your home less comfortable. When you replace an old door with a modern, energy-efficient one, you're not just improving the look of your home, you're also making it more functional. New doors come equipped with advanced insulation materials and weather stripping that prevent air leakage, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. An energy-efficient door is an investment in both curb appeal and cost savings over time. Increased home value. If you're planning to sell your home, door replacement can be a valuable investment. A front door is one of the first things prospective buyers will see, and a beautifully designed, new door can add considerable value to your property. According to real estate experts, upgrading your front door can give you one of the highest returns on investment in any home improvement project. It's an affordable way to elevate your home's exterior and attract buyers, especially in a competitive market like Fayetteville, where first impressions are key. A door replacement also signals to potential buyers that the home is well maintained, which can lead to a quicker sale at a higher price point. The door serves as an indication that the rest of the home has been thoughtfully cared for and updated, enhancing your home's marketability. Security and safety. Beyond aesthetics and energy efficiency, a new front door can also enhance the security of your home. Older doors, especially those made of thinner materials or with outdated locking mechanisms, can be vulnerable to break-ins. A door replacement offers an opportunity to choose a door that is built with modern security features such as reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. By upgrading your door, you not only improve curb appeal but also ensure that your home remains secure and protected. This added layer of safety is especially important for families and individuals who want to ensure peace of mind. Conclusion. Replacing your front door is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to boost your Fayetteville home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to update your home's appearance, improve energy efficiency, increase its market value, or enhance security, a door replacement ticks all the boxes. With a wide range of styles, materials, and designs available, there's no reason not to make this simple yet transformative upgrade. When it comes to your home's exterior, the right front door can make all the difference, offering both beauty and functionality